Welcome to Saas Pro. In this video, I'll show you how to get Suno AI Premium step by step so you can unlock all the advanced features with ease. Step 1. Go to suno.com and either create a brand new account or log into your existing one. This is your starting point to access all features of Suno AI. Step 2. After logging in, check the left-hand side menu and find the option that says Upgrade right under your credits section. Click on it to see the premium upgrade options. Step 3. Now you'll see two plans, Pro starting at $8 per month and Premier starting at $24 per month. These prices may vary depending on your region. Step 4. Decide if you want to pay annually, which saves money, or monthly, which gives you more flexibility. Choose what works best for you. Step 5. Click the subscribe button under the plan you prefer. This will take you to the payment page. Step 6. You'll be redirected to Stripe for checkout. Fill in your credit card information, and if you have a promo code, enter it here. Step 7. Finally, click on the subscribe button to confirm your payment. Once it's successful, all premium features will be unlocked right away in your Suno AI account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Saas Pro.